now, how do you set up automation, right? So there are four different. The last one, the custom, is obviously for an advanced seller, but all of you who are essentially small and medium, I think that the first three rules are going to help you. The first one is, as the name suggests, it helps you to save the time, save the money, right? Money saver. You say that, hey, I really want to save money, or I want it to, whatever is not working for me, please mark those keywords negative and move on, right? First one, money saver, obviously the easiest one to set it up. The second one, the ROI. I really know what really I want to achieve from my campaigns. I want to achieve a certain ROI. I want to make my ACoS as 30%, 25%. You specify those targets and let the magic happen and let the platform do that for you, right? Again, ROI is something which is which you will actually start utilizing more and more when your product is in the growth phase, not in the launch phase. Launch phase, you are looking at essentially maximum visibility, understand what has really worked for you. ROI is something where you really specify what you really want, and the platform automatically helps you to achieve the target, right? The last one is keyword harvester, which will obviously help you to identify, mine the keywords, and also you can also, we have seen sellers using it very effectively to increase more visibility for your product, right? You are getting obviously sales from certain set of keywords. Now you are looking at essentially increasing your visibility. So keyword harvester is essentially one will come into handy, right? And the last one is the custom rules, is where technically you can actually mix and match. You can actually put, you're a more advanced user, you really know what you're doing. So the custom rules where you have no limitation, you can specify the different variables, and the platform again use it for you, right? So the beauty of a platform like Seller App is it really works for you 24/7, right? And we, for some of the bigger sellers, advanced sellers out there, we have actually made it in such a large frequency that no human can essentially match this, right? The changes are being done in certain minutes or certain seconds, right? So based on the data, based on how your ads are performing, the platforms are actually making changes in a frequency like 15 or 20 minutes of time, right? So this is technically impossible for a human person to match, right? Again, a platform like Seller App will essentially help you to define the strategy and make the platform work for you, right? So that you work hand in hand with a powerful platform. The platform essentially help you to run your strategy in the best possible manner.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.